Talagang Northport sa semifinals.
Um, sobrang saya. Hindi ko ma-explain yung nararamdaman ko eh. Kasi nag-semis nga kami pero hindi pa naman tapos eh. So I'm happy with this win. Ngayon mag-semis kami pero hindi, job's not done. Sabi ni Kadib yung board namin. So I guess we can celebrate for a few days siguro. Waiting kami kung sino yung makakatapat namin. But definitely a very proud moment or proud win kami dito. Super proud ako sa mga teammates ko. The hard work and yung dedication namin na ginawa before mag-start yung conference. Ito yung naging resulta. But it's not done yet. May semis and finals pa. I mean, sana makalusot kami sa semis. But yeah, definitely super proud of my teammates. I'm happy with this win.
I mean, the way you came back in the third quarter, how would you think you would be in? Malaking bagay yun na si you face either Ginebra or Meralco.
Well, yeah, tamba kami nung first half eh. Pero we still believe. Hindi kami nawala ng ng gana kasi tambak kami. But everyone is parang aggressive. They still believe na kaya. First half pa lang, may second half pa. Yun, second half maganda yung naging run namin, especially nung start eh. Grabe yung energy namin. And that's because everyone in the dugout ng halftime believe na kaya namin, we still can win the game. And yun lang ang reward. Meralco or Ginebra yung kalaban. But we have 2 weeks of preparation kasi may FIBA. So we have time really prepare for the semi-finals. Kahit sino naman siguro kalaban namin, malakas pareho yun eh. But we'll be ready.
Specifically, parang defense din kasi piniplex yung dalawang makakalaban nyo, either
Exactly.
So, for you personally, paano mo maghahandaan talaga ba? Check ka na talaga nila?
Well, that's why 5 yung naglalaro doon. If they really focus on me, I still have four teammates that are playing with me. So I just have to really recognize that yung defense, yung binibigay sa akin. I cannot force things kasi unfair naman first of all, makapangit yung maging kalaban yung laro namin. So I have to really involve everyone. If they're really focusing on me, then may apat pa akong kasama. So I trust them.
Arvin, by Northport taking the series, it also increases your chances na dun sa first PPC if ever. Dun sa award na yung possibility of winning that.
Yeah, I guess it's a big reward, big bonus for me if ever I win that. But I'm really focused on winning more or getting to the finals. And parang I'm looking at that. Hindi mo na iniisip kasi parang, diba? Yeah, magandang recognition yun pero parang for me, deserve din ng teammates ko yun eh. If I can, share it with them, diba? Can get pieces of that award and if ever I win. I'm not saying if ever I win that, everyone in my team deserves that. So yeah.
Arvin, kamusta ba yung bond nyo with your teammates? Kasi parang nabanggit kanina ni Coach Raisy na may mga players meeting kayo and even in the past may mga discussions with your teammates. Kamusta yung bond nyo?
Kami, dikit kami lahat. Diba? Walang naiiwan sa amin. Yun din yung maganda, yung chemistry namin. Off the court ang the best, you know. Ang makukulit din kasi itong mga teammates ko eh. Tapos si Kadim pa is isa rin yung kulit din eh. So hindi siya hiwalay sa amin eh. Alam niyo yun, hindi porket import siya, parang he thinks is above everyone. Hindi. Siya, tropa namin siya. Actually siya pa nga yung nangungulit eh, madalas sa amin. And he gathers everyone, he talks a lot. Madaldal din eh. Tapos, yeah. And yung mga young guys namin, or who were once young guys, nagkaka-experience na rin sila. So, we're solid. It's a solid team. On and off the court.
Arvin, ang last semis mo yata sa Ginebra pa, di ba?
Yeah. Last semis ko, 2022 pa. Before ako ma-trade, actually. 3 years ago. So, this is a good opportunity for me. To lead again, to lead my teammates. Hopefully, mag-finals kami. Hindi naman masawang mangarap eh. And, yeah. Pero yeah, 3 years ago pa.
Kung sakali,
Governors Cup yun. Governors yun, panalo kami nun eh. Justin yung
kung sakali, Ginebra makakalaban mo sa semis.
Exciting. Siyempre, playing against Ginebra, mga kumpare ko na rin ng mga players dun eh. So it's always fun and exciting time for me, going up against them. Kasi siyempre may pinagsamahan din kami. For how many years, araw-araw magkakasama kami. And if ever sila, it's gonna be an exciting series. But we're still focused on that goal na the next step naman yun is to get into the finals. It's a long series, best of 7. So, maraming chances.
Okay, Arvin, thank you.